name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
In New York, I'm in New York.
What's up, my J-Dolls and Baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair review, and as y'all can tell by the title, I am collabing with Westkiss Hair. They sent me their 13x6 HD lace frontal, so this lace is really giving, and I got the cap size in a size large, and it's 180 density. The hair is really bomb, like it's really silky. I know Westkiss has like really great curly hair. That's where I normally get my curly hair from, but this is my very first time trying their straight hair, and I love it. Like, I wouldn't say it's like similar to Asteria hair, but I would say it's kind of similar to Yalisa, however you say that company, but it's similar to that. It's like a softer texture and not like a coarse texture, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is the hair, and I also tried to put Adore's crystal clear on it to make it shine a little bit. I don't know if y'all can tell like a difference or anything, but this is how it's looking. It's very silky, very soft, and this is the lace close to. Barely did any plucking because I think this is gonna turn into my favorite wig, and I don't want to over pluck in case I wear this again. So yeah, the 180 density is giving true density. It's not like thin or whatever. I did get a little shedding when I washed it, and when I plucked it, I bleached this hair for I think like 15 minutes, and the knots took well. They are like super big knots, so you probably have to do like more time than I did. But yeah, the Adore, I don't know if I can see a difference. I mean, it's a little shine, but like all my wigs shine because I do put the bio silk on my hair, so that gives it a little shine. But yeah, this is how far the hair go down on me far, and it's a 26-inch wig. It seems like a 28 to me. Normally a 24 stops like maybe like right here to me, but you know, it's adding extra length. It might be even giving the 30 because like my 30-inch wig stops right there on me, and I'm 5'7", y'all. So but yeah, overall I give this hair a 10 out of 10. Would I go up in the density? I just feel like this is the right density, like 180. It's in between like thick but not thin, so I really like this density. Although I love my 200 density, I would recommend getting the 180 because it's like lightweight, but it's still giving. It's got a silk press type.
Show me love, show me love. You're my fly. Got fly now, got a squad now, got a drive now. It's a club hopping, jewelry shopping, girl you shining, girl you finding, yeah you mine. That's why I feel like diamond. I treat you like my last time, go broke, no joke. I cut your hoes off, I kill the roll call. I put the doors on, she let it show off. Them bitches sweet, them bitches doors off. I put a ring on it, they got a ring to it. On my knees for you, I be doing how he do it. I cannot speak for you, but I know they here for it. I speak your language, they don't tell you they ain't doing it. Like girl, you dangerous, but I ain't seen you. Not till I see you, I'll treat you like queen do it. Yeah, yeah. Let me sing to you, let me be the main music. I fell in love, fell in love. That's okay, that's we in love. Oh my God, fell in love with the love. Show me love, I give you love. Fell in love, I fell in love. I want it for the love. Show me love, show me love. Fell in love, and that's okay. Some love.
Always the path from say 5 years ago till now?
Not at all. It's a blessing, you know. You never, see what's gonna happen in the future. You just always live this lifestyle, you know.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.